This is a Toyota Tundra Crew Max SR5, red over black interior, 2016. Power windows, locks, and heated power mirrors. Cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, automatic transmission, satellite radio. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, bed liner. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 5.7 liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.